Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Google phone setting guys, and in this video friends I am going to show you guys how to on screen lock sound and how to use it in Google phone. Friends, you want to on guys your screen lock sound settings of how to on and use guys screen lock sound on Google phone. In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how to on and use screen lock sound on Google Pixel phone. Friend, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, you will have to click on guys your Google phone guys sound and vibration setting. Sound vibration guys, we will on it. After on sound and vibration friends, scroll it. Friends, you want to set any ringtone. Friends, you can set ringtone from here. Friends, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your screen lock sound setting the right side guys, we will tap here. And guys after on guys how to use screen lock sound guys, let's see. Friends, first we will lock our phone. So when you will lock your phone and guys when you will unlock your phone, you can use guys your screen lock sound, and guys you can use your screen unlock sound when we will unlock phone. So friends, you can use your screen lock and unlock sound on your Google Pixel phone guys. And friends, you don't want to use guys, you can off from guys your same guys, again click on sound and vibration. And friends, you don't want to use screen lock sound, you can off. And friends, you can see after of guys we can lock our phone, we can unlock our phone without any sound on Google phone guys. So like that guys, you can use guys your screen lock sound. And guys direct guys search option guys, search here guys screen locking sound setting. First you can see screen locking sound. Direct friends, we can on from here and we can off. So after on guys, when we will lock phone, we can use this sound when we will unlock our phone. So guys now we will off it. So like that guys, you can use guys your screen lock sound, screen lock and unlock sound on your Google phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.